because today we switched it up on this fathead dough pizza. So for our fathead dough, instead of using mozzarella, we're using 1.5 cups of our white cheddar followed by 2 ounces of cream cheese. We're going to melt that together until it gets really smooth. Go ahead and crack in 2 eggs, and we're using 1/3 cup of coconut flour. I wanted to work on my texture, so I added in 1 teaspoon of my oat fiber. And then for seasonings, I just used garlic and onion powder. Next, I lined my pizza pan with some parchment paper, and I used my hands to pat it out to the shape of my pan. I also wanted it to be really flat and not thick. Be sure to poke holes so that it cooks evenly. You're going to cook on 425 for 8 minutes, flip it over, and then cook for an additional 5 to 6 minutes. Then add your toppings. Today we made a pepperoni pesto. I only used 1 serving of my basil pesto, which was 1/4 cup. Laid down my fresh mozzarella slices, my pepperoni. I broiled that for a couple of minutes, and it came out surprisingly amazing. The texture was great. The flavors came together so perfectly. This is definitely a must try. Please like, comment, share, and follow for more.